Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Blessing Albright. If you're new here, I really do hope that you subscribe to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing an unboxing of the iPhone 13 Pro. I got this recently as a birthday gift and I just thought to do the unboxing with you guys. So I currently use an iPhone 11 Pro, and when Apple announced that the 13 series was going to come with the cinematic mode feature, I was so excited to get my hands on one. I am so glad that I finally have one. So let's get right into the unboxing. Okay, so let's get right. from the back. So let's just turn that. Okay, so we are all in now. Let's try out the cinematic mode effect. So this is the camera and these are the various filming options. So over here we have cinematic, so I'll just start with that. Interesting. So yeah, I mean it's available in front and back camera, so that is really nice. I was actually quite curious about that. So let's try out the cinematic mode right now. Okay, so let's put this to a test right now, guys. So right now the focus of the camera is on me, and then we're going to shift its focus to the lamp, and then right back at me. Cool stuff. So yes, me filming the rest of this vlog with my new phone. Anyway, that brings us to the end of this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please remember to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and leave a kind comment if you can. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.